Greetings, North Star Uganda, and especially my brother, V Council Dr. Umar. This is your upline and Chief Patman Sinatraja recording a very important message for North Star. As you know, Dr. Umar and your grand upline Kalai, AVP Kalai, are very close to my heart. They are part of the core team that I've built over the years. And I'm proud to see today of the growth of North Star Uganda. I understand that you guys have finished a tour of 5 cities, including South Sudan. Now, as you know, this year, my mission statement, my message to the world, to the whole V family, and especially North Star Uganda, is that we have to raise the bar higher. Now, what does this mission statement mean? It's not a marketing tagline. It simply means that we push ourselves constantly out of the comfort zone. That if you are showing 1 presentation a day, I want you to show 5 presentations a day. If your goal is 2,000 US a week, let your goal become 4,000 US dollars a week. Now, the reason for this, I realized over the years, observing organizations around the world, everyone grows and they reach a comfort zone. And raising the bar higher pushes you out of the comfort zone. And that is what North Star Uganda needs to be. Now, as you understand, and I've always believed, that Uganda has great potential. It's an amazing, beautiful country. I've been there a couple of times. I want to come back again. But North Star, take advantage of 2013. 2013, QNet and the V is ready to rock and roll. We are ready to raise the bar higher in every aspect. And I see a great future for Uganda. I see Uganda's potential hasn't even started, and it's up to you, North Star Uganda. All right? North Star Uganda is going to be the one who will raise the bar higher in Uganda. All right? Now, this year I've worked with many of your leaders, including your upline AVP Kalai, to get the whole organization to focus on the importance of weekly checks. Because I believe a networker cannot exist without a goal, without a destination. And I know that all of you have big dreams. I know that you signed up with QNet because you have big dreams. But the big dreams alone, all right, is the final destination. To reach those big dreams, every week is a step. Every week is a baby step, and another step, and another step, and another step to achieve your ultimate goal of financial freedom. Now, every week I believe that your goal of your check is the most important goal that you will have to set. Because your 7 days doesn't mean anything without a goal. From Saturday to Friday, your weekly commission goal decides how you will work, how much you will sacrifice, what price you have to pay for that 7 days to achieve that weekly commission that you have targeted. Now, you need to work with your downlines on this basis. All right, Dr. Umar, you have to work with your leaders on this basis. Kalai has to work with each one of your leaders, all right, to make sure that they have set that goal and they know how to achieve it. Now, a lot of people ask me this year, what should we focus on? What is the mantra, Chief? What is the message, Chief, that I have to drill down to every level of my organization? My answer is very simple. Find 2. Last week in Jakarta in September, I launched this campaign called Find 2. Because I understood at that point how this simple concept can create unbelievable, huge results in an organization in QNet. That if everyone understands the simplicity of this concept of finding 2, because every one of you watching this video, you found 2. And you found 2 within the first, second, third, fourth day of your journey in QNet. You found 2 so fast, it's not funny. You found 2 with so little effort, all right, from your hot zone, all right, and now you have crossed over to your warm zone and your cold zone. But I want to remind you that finding 2 is a fundamental pillar or philosophy of building your network. And there must be one mantra, one message, one goal that each one of you should be targeting every week, every day, is finding your 2. Because if everyone in your organization finds 2, you build an amazing, beautiful matrix. All right? And that is what you should focus on. Now, At the end of May, Dr. Umar and Kalai have told me that there's going to be an unbelievable event, all right, in Uganda, okay, called ACON, or the African Convention, by North Star. Now, I am just preparing, as you can see, with all the t-shirts everywhere, for VCon Malaysia, all right, and I will see most of you at VCon Egypt in September. But in May, I want you to understand the importance of a convention or conference. Because no matter what you do as an individuals and the smaller teams, the real magic happens when you guys come together. All right, and I'm sending you as a gift from me, we partner David Sharma, all right, to stand on your stage at ACON, okay, and talk about what you need to do to build Africa, to build Uganda. All right, now you need to make a decision that going to ACON is not a choice, it's a necessity. It's part of your growth. It's part of your journey to financial freedom. Like coming to VCon Egypt is a necessity. You need it. You need to grow at ACON. You need to grow at VCon to cross another line and go to the next level. Now, I have always been part of the growth and strategies of North Star. And we counsel Dr. Umar. You're very lucky to have him as an upline. He's truly a warrior of the V, my brother, and he truly represents the vision of Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck, our founders. And I spoke to Dato Sri today and asked him what is his message to Uganda. And he simply said this: when Uganda awakens, when North Star awakens, the world will tremble. So North Star, this is the year to raise the bar higher. This is the year to remember why you are here, why you made that decision many months, many years ago. And with the commitment of AVP Kalai and V Council Dr. Umar, and of course your grand upline Padman Sinatiraja, I am committed to you. I'm willing to give you 100% from the V, but I need 200% back from you. This year, North Star, raise the bar higher. It is your year to shine. It is your year to show the world that North Star will become the biggest organization we have seen in QNet. So guys, very simple. Find two. Remember the mantra. Remember the simplicity. And raise the bar higher. I love you guys. All right, and make sure you're there at ACON and make sure you're there at VCon Egypt 2013. I'll miss you at V Malaysia, but we will rock and roll at VCon Egypt. So once again, I love you guys, all of you, North Star.